took JAMB, the information I'm going to give you here should make you very much excited, even if you have not seen your JAMB result, even if you are going to rewrite your JAMB. I'm giving you this authentic information, so just pay attention. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board has revealed that in the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam, that's UTME, 17,025 candidates representing 0.88% of the total 1.9 million scored 300 and above. For the first time in many years, JAMB is having this massive number in your own set, scoring very, very, very high. This marks the highest number recorded since the introduction of the CBT test. Since this CBT test started, this year was the year we got the highest number that scored 300 and above. That is very massive. I think this is something that we need to celebrate. According to a statistical report obtained by Punch, Punch now, online on Saturday, this reflects a significant improvement on performance compared to previous years since the adoption of the CBT format. JAMB published a format, right, that showed from last 5 years, and we saw that it is only this year that people really perform high. When they initially released the results, the result was so poor. But when I told you, let us keep tweeting, this is not my result, when we started pushing them, they had to go back and rework the result. And now we all have something to smile about. So go over to the comment section and tell me what's your final result. If you rewrote the exam, the results you have now, and if you're happy about it. If you are not happy, if you want to rewrite it, also let me know. If you have any issues, let me know so that we can begin early to work on it. According to the report, 1.9 million results were released in 2025, representing 100% of the candidates who sat for the examination. The figure surpasses the 1.8 result released in 2024 and indicates a steady increase in UTME participation over the years. In a comparison, 8,401 candidates, 0.46%, achieved similar scores in 2024, while 0.35, that's 5,318, achieved the same in 2023. Earlier figures were generally lower, with only 724 candidates, that's 0.06%, scoring 300 and above in 2021, and none in both 2024 and 2023. So what they are saying is that this year's result seems to be the best JAMB result in the last 5 years. Should I clap for you people? I feel like clapping for you people. You people really did very well, and I know it has not been easy after all the back and forth, writing, receipting, changing of date of writing the JAMB and all the rest. But there's still work to be done, so let's not get too excited, because some people still need to rewrite the JAMB. If you are one of them, let me know. If you wrote and you scored high, also let me know. Earlier figures were generally lower, with only in the 250 and above category, 117,373 candidates, 6.08% attained this range in 2025. This is good. This is an increase. This is a sustainable increase, right? So I'm giving you the information, and it's something we should be proud about. But then, beyond being proud about it, you should also open up on your own situation. If you're having a unique situation which is affecting your exam, which affected your score, which affected where you wrote, you are free to come to me, talk to me, let me know, so that today, together, we can begin to work on it. Despite these improvements, right, the majority of candidates, 1.3 million, that is 70.7%, scored below 200. There were still many people that scored very poor, very low, and that is why I am here to start guiding you. This represents a slight decrease from 76% in 2024 and 76.6% in 2023. So even though many people scored below 200, yet it is still good compared to other years. A year-by-year comparison reveals significant fluctuation in performance. For example, in 2021, only 168,650 candidates, that is 13%, scored 200 and above, whereas in 2016, only 34% achieved this range. Are you getting? So this whole grammar is pointing to the direction that this year's JAMB seems to be the best. And there also an opportunity for those of you that have not written your JAMB. Maybe you miss your JAMB, you miss the first JAMB and you now miss the second JAMB. There's still another opportunity for you to rewrite, right? That is the one that is called mop-up. So if you are one of those that wants to rewrite your JAMB, please feel free to talk to me. Feel free to talk to me right now. Tell me your state, your location, if you miss your JAMB, and why you want to rewrite, so that we can begin to help you out. The number of high scorers has steadily increased in recent years, suggesting a trend of academic improvement and greater familiarity with the CBT system. I hope you are following. Since the introduction of CBT in 2013, JAMB has continued to refine its examination process, and the 2025 results appear to reflect the positive impact of these efforts. Okay, the board is expected to issue further statement on the implication of this year's result for the tertiary admission process. This means that the cutoff mark this year might be higher. The cutoff mark this year is expected to be higher, so it means that you might need to study harder for your post UTME. You need to put in extra effort for your UTME exam. JAMB released the result of the receipt examination conducted for candidates affected by technical errors during the, if you have not seen your result, that reminds me, if there is any one of you who have not seen your result for any reason, please indicate. Today is the day to let me know. Tell me that you have not seen your result. Tell me the issue you are having. Any issue at all. This is something that borders on your future and your destiny. So we cannot afford to joke or play with your UTME result. So before this receipt, record that the initial result of the 2025 UTME were released on May 6th. However, on May 14, JAMB registrar Professor Ishak disclosed that the result of 379,997 candidates across 157 candidates in Lagos and Southeast is Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, Abia, and Imo states, plus Lagos, had been compromised due to a technical. It was because of this technical glitch that there was now a rewriting of the exam. The registrar confirmed that the affected candidates will be required to retake the exam. And beyond those candidates, the final thing I will tell you is that you have the opportunity to resit for your exam. For those of you that missed any of the exam, you missed any of the papers, both the first JAMB and the second JAMB, you have the opportunity. So go over to the comment section. If you scored high and you are happy, you want to give a testimony of how your research for the exam and your score increased, please give me the testimony in the comment section. If you want to appreciate me for having been with you all through this while you are free. But if you are having any issue regarding this exam, this is the time to let me know. Tell me the score you have. Tell me if you are happy with the score. Tell me if you want to receive your exam and how you would want me to guide you. There is an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now. Remember, this is the time for you to go ahead and join our YouTube channel. Click on join. Then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe and like, come under the comment of this video and tell me I have subscribed. When I see you type I subscribe, I'm going to chat you up and begin to answer all your questions.